तुम्ही भितर कंटेनमेंट झोन आतां येता कामाक कंटेनमेंट झोन सेपरेट आहा न्हू पयलींच तांकां फुडें येवं नाका म्हणून सांगपाचें साहेब
थोड़ा सा शॉप ओपन हुआ है
नहीं कल
ना शॉप में
कल शॉप ओपन और थोड़ा सब्जी वाला शॉप नहीं ओपन है सर।
अभी इधर सर कैसा है 10 जगह से 10 लोग जगह जाने के लिए है ऑलरेडी किया भी रहेगा फिर भी वो लोग जाता है। हाँ तो वो थोड़ा सील करना।
The request of the public representative here. So some points related to entry and exit points were discussed. So they have, although we have put the whole arrangements in place, putting barricades and putting watch posts, but as requested by them, there may be a few points. So we have requested them to share the details with us, and we'll definitely ensure that it is sealed properly. Right? Thank you. Executive magistrate who will be available in Zuarinagar. Any of your problems you can be addressed to him. And secondly, we have as I have told that essential shops, essential commodity shops or whatever are there, those will be open in Zuarinagar, so that people do not suffer.
provisions be supplied ration
Yes.
ration supplied
Yes, ration supply already fair price shops which are there, those will be open inside. People can collect their ration quotas from there. And apart from this, whoever do not have ration cards, the list can be shared to us. We will deliver them through our volunteers.
Day has been a very fruitful day right from the morning when we had a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister. Various issues with respect to the lockdown and the formation of containment zones and the special needs of a containment zone were discussed. As you have just heard, many needs have been put in place. First and foremost, there's going to be an executive magistrate to whom any need, any special situation can be communicated to, so that he will then take the necessary action by contacting the right authorities. Okay, that's one. Secondly, there were certain entry points and exit points in the containment zone of Zuarinagar from where the people were moving out in spite of the lockdown in the area. Now this cannot be allowed when the area is in the containment zone, because you cannot allow people in, nor can you allow people to leave the area. Now we had our SP here present today. He has asked all the concerned panchas to exactly identify these entry points and exit points from this containment zone in Zuarinagar, so that he will then put in necessary measures to prevent this from happening. Thirdly, I think as far as testing is concerned, I think we are all aware that we have Dr. Sukod who is in charge of this testing, and this testing will be done at the government primary school in Zuarinagar, where doctor has set his office and all the necessary equipment is in place. Now, whoever feels the need on his own that he wants to test himself, he can go there. Of course, this facility is only for the people within the containment zone. It is not for the whole of Zuarinagar. Okay. Secondly, also, suppose somebody is very ill and has a fever, okay, or somebody has been declared positive and needs to be picked up. So that information also will be provided by the district magistrate, because you contact the district magistrate and the district magistrate will immediately then take the necessary measures to see that the person is picked up. What is happening is that when you are at a place for many years, you establish friendship and bonds, and then sometimes if those people who you know for over a period of years do something wrong, you are not very reluctant or very prompt to take action against them. So I think it is important that some constables. This is what I've been told by the people around. Some constables are there for many years, so they say that those constables should be transferred and new people should be brought into in their place. However, I think we have a PSI, we have a new PI who has, who has given us all guarantee that he will take strong measures to see that law and order is maintained. We also have a very good PSI who's very strict. So I think with all these measures in place, we will be moving in the right direction.